Alright, I'm back with more upgrade stuff with parts from MatMroy. This is the Optiplex 330. And I need to access the memory slots there. I yanked the memory out of this for a different machine. Oh yeah, this does have a solid state drive in it. Forgot about that. If you remember back in July, I got this memory from him. I don't really feel like doing a lot of editing today. These are 4 gig PC. Those are DDR3. Is this? I know there's a DDR2 here, which I think are these. I think somehow I got 4 of these. So, I mean, we don't really need to go into great detail by this point of how to install memory into an Optiplex. I think we all should know how to do that by now. I mainly wanted to do this video so I could talk about some important news. I will be leaving this apartment starting the beginning of next month. I will be moving out, I should say. I'm going to be moving out of here, I should say. I'm moving to a temporary location. Something ain't right. So one of these is backwards. Hope they work. I know MatMroy ain't going to give me anything that he knows doesn't work. Either the slots are backwards or the labels on the memory are backwards. So I have this Samsung TV here. Again, I don't have internet here, which is part of... hold on a second. I forgot that I unplugged the power for my printer. Anyway, here's power cord to this. No fire yet. However, it did just light up here. So this should actually work. Like 99 point. There we go. 2 gigahertz core 2 or Pentium dual core. 4 gigs of RAM, which I believe is the max for this. So let's see what happens. Now, what I was starting to say a minute ago, Vista on an S. You know what? I think I remember what I was trying to do with this. I yanked the memory for something else that seemed important at the time. And, anyway, so what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to be leaving this place, and it's going to require me to have nearly 100% of my, I'm really not used to a system this old. Nearly 100% of my stuff in a storage facility. So that is going to greatly affect my video output, which really, frankly, hasn't been that great lately anyway. But what is going to happen is I will be doing videos. It's just going to be harder to do. That, and I also can't store a bunch of stuff where I'm going. It's only going to be a temporary thing, probably till the beginning of May. Or, actually, no, it's not even going to be that long. Till, like, March or April of next year. So, if you figure that it's almost September now, you know, we're not talking that long. I mean, it's long enough, but it's not going to be that long. Some of you, I have already discussed what's happening. Those are the people I have confided in, and that I trust not to tell my whole life story. So, that's where I stand right now. Is if you've heard about it, and you know what's going on. If not, keep me in prayer. But I'm okay, but I'm going through some hard times. That's all I'm going to say. I'm definitely going to miss this apartment, for the simple fact that I've got so much stuff here. I've been here 6 years, but I gotta move on because of the issues I have going on. Some of which being my knee, some of which being stuff I'm not ready to talk about, because being in an upstairs apartment, it's so hard to walk up these steps sometimes. I have knee issues, but that's really not the issue that's got me moving. So this appears to be working pretty well. I chose to do it in this form factor of a video because when I just straight up do a video that says channel news, they get almost no views at all. So I'm not trying to play a trickaroo or bait and switch, but I just wanted to be for you guys to actually know what's going on. So the system is still running at a 3.4, so I think what I wanted to do was a video about Windows Vista. I don't think I ever started filming it. It was kind of one of those questions about, is it that bad? But I never got around to finishing it. And I wanted to give Vista the best start possible by giving it an SSD to work with. So with that being said, if those of you who would like to keep me in prayer, please do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have yourself a blessed day.